Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by eliminating the low-hanging causes. Update Chrome and restart it to apply fixes, then disable extensions to spot a bad add-on. Once done, clear the browser cache and cookies for the sites that load slowly. This removes stale scripts and large local storage that can stall requests. Make sure you do one change at a time so you know what helped. If performance improves, re-enable items sequentially to find the culprit. Next, focus on network and browser internals. Flush your DNS cache and restart the network adapter to clear routing caches that cause slow lookups. Disable hardware acceleration so you rule out GPU driver conflicts that can make pages render slowly. Then test in incognito to bypass stored extensions and profiles, and run a speed test to separate ISP issues from browser issues. Use Chrome's Task Manager to spot tabs or processes eating CPU or network bandwidth. To finalize, reinstall Chrome or create a new profile so corrupted settings don't hang performance. This wipes problematic preferences while keeping data you choose to export. Reset your router and modem, and check for firmware updates or ISP outage notices in case the bottleneck is upstream. Run Chrome's cleanup tool or a trusted malware scan for hidden processes intercepting traffic. If problems remain, try another device to isolate the issue. That tells you whether Chrome or your network is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.